Hello and welcome to this video on robotics and AI. In this video, we will discuss the relationship between robotics and AI, their applications, and the future of robotics and AI. Robotics is the field of study that deals with the design, construction, and operation of robots. AI, on the other hand, is the field of study that focuses on creating machines that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as perception, reasoning, and decision-making. Robotics and AI have numerous applications across different industries, including manufacturing. Robots are used in manufacturing to automate processes and increase productivity. Healthcare. Robots are used in healthcare for surgery, rehabilitation, and patient care. Agriculture. Robots are used in agriculture for crop monitoring, harvesting, and pest control. Logistics. Robots are used in logistics for warehouse management and transportation. The future of robotics and AI is exciting, with many opportunities for innovation and growth. The integration of AI and robotics is expected to lead to the development of more intelligent and autonomous robots that can learn from their environment and make decisions based on that knowledge. Despite the numerous benefits of robotics and AI, there are also challenges that need to be addressed. These include the ethical implications of using robots in certain industries, such as healthcare, and the potential for job displacement due to automation. In conclusion, robotics and AI are powerful technologies that have numerous applications across different industries. They have the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work, but also raise ethical and social challenges that need to be addressed. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on robotics and AI.